Okay.
Gagi.
Eh, wala akong malay nun. Yung nagkamalay lang ako nung pag ano ko, higa ako. Isip ko, eh wala naman si Kiasi na sinilakbo.
Hirap pa lang maging T-A-N-G-A.
Ang hirap pa
lang ako kasi alam.
Tingin na eyebags.
Wala na.
Pilit ka na naman ah. Oh, say hi! Say hi!
Malayo bang Mandaluyong dito?
Mandaluyong kami dati. Back and grade.
Ang Star Mall, di ba sa ano yun?
Nalapit lang. Ay, sa paligid para walang ano.
Game. 1, 2, 3, go. Bigyan niyo ako ng beat. Katapatang. Nalunod ba? Ay, may nakakatatot. Among Us. Yoko niya. Hello, Ash here. Quite a while. It's been a while. Today is June 4. I am home alone at the current moment. And I decided to make this video just because I am bored. And I have nothing else to do. And I just wanted to update you guys. I will post this 2 weeks from now. I don't even know. But anyway, hello. Miss niyo ba ako? It's been a solid while since I deactivated all of my accounts. Not gonna lie, it was kind of lonely at first. No, it was so healing, deactivating and removing all of my social media accounts for a while. But since I have to came back because of school, I have no choice but to activate all of it again. So here I am. Well, unfortunately, I will be back soon enough. I don't even know if I'm gonna activate all of my accounts on my birthday. I'm still not sure. Undecided pa rin ako up until now. Up until now, I'm still undecided if I'm ever gonna activate this account on my birthday or not. Actually, if ever na hindi ako magpakita sa birthday ko, which is June 8, 4 days from now, I will activate my accounts sa mismong pasokan or the day before just to check my section or whatever. Kasi alam mo naman, hindi ko alam, di ba? Hello, this is my process of burnout so far. Dito dapat ako nag-record. Ano yan, dapat mga 7:30 nasa bahay na dapat ako. Pagkalas 8 na boss. Tagka kasi ng mga sasakyan na. Ano kasi ng mga tunog ng mga sasakyan, yung mga motor. Diyos ko Lord, bomba, bomba, bomba. Send natin sa Jason.
Sino yung Princess Renzen? John Paul, Lay, Steven. Yes.
Wala, si Steven John Paul.
Hindi pa ulit.
Bigla namamalig ba ako? Shit.
Kailang kakat-edit na lang.
Bagsak.
Pakita mo yung kuko mo.
Bagsak. Bagsak. Bagsak.
Sayang 1 point.
For your safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened at all times as we may experience unexpected turbulence during the flight. We'll update you with the latest arrival information as we get closer to Singapore. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay.
Of you. Remove your face coverings. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over.
কল্পনা করতে পারবি না।
Kaya nagtataka ko, bakit nasan yung Aurora Borealis? Binanggit yun. May kasabay akong dalawang... Ano section nyo?
Julieta, hindi Julieta. Julieta, Julieta.
Yes. Sige pa post to.
Mga Julieta.
Nakakahingal, ang dami nating... Nakita ko ang dami kong error. Yeah. It's sarap! It's sarap? It's sarap? It's sarap? Tara, bali. Dali. Ayan na. Ayan, natutuwa na sila.
Ana!
Di sa'yo? Itim ko na.
Bakit ito na naman yung suot ko? Kay naharap. Oo, pinasuot niya sa akin nakarang. Hoy, wala yung kasi ano, Ash.
Hindi may babalik. Low karat ka talaga.
Dali, reverse walk.
Kakain kayo?
What?
Reverse. Bilis, reverse walk. Isa pa.